See here, the total potential difference. What is the formula here? V1 plus V2 plus V3. But the V is equal to potential. Potential is equal to charge per coulomb. And V1 is equal to how much is it? Q by C1. V2 is equal to how much is Q by C2. V3 is equal to how much is it? Q by C3. Now these values are substituted here. V is equal to how much is there here? Q by C is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Because why are we not writing here the Q1, Q2, Q3 means the charge will be same on each capacitor. That's why we take the same for here. Then we take the common for the Q. Q by C is equal to, Q will be take the common 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Then the Q gets cancelled. 1 by C, that is nothing but C effect. What is called the effective capacitance is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, 1 by C3. See, this will be the three capacitors are connected by in a series. The three capacitors connected by in a series. That effective capacitance, capacitance, what is there? 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. If, therefore, if n capacitors are connected, n capacitors are connected in series, then effective capacitance effective capacitance see, that is the 1 by C effect. 1 by C effect is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus and so on plus 1 by Cn. 1 by Cn. Because of how many capacitors there is? N capacitors. That way you get the 1 by Cn. See, this is the formula of a effective capacitance in series combination. Effective capacitance in series combination. 1 by C effect is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 plus and so on 1 by Cn. Discussing about the note. Note is nothing but special cases of in series combination. Special cases in series combination. Now the first one. In series combination, effective capacity is always less than value of least value of capacitor. Least value of capacitors. Now what is the first one? Say in series combination effective capacity is always less than least value of capacitor. అంటే ఒక కెపాసిటర్ కంటే కూడా మొత్తం కాంబినేషన్ అంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్. సో నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, ద సెకండ్ వన్. When n identical capacitors are in series, then its effective capacitance 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus and so on 1 by Cn. What is it? When n identical capacitors are in series, 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus and so on 1 by Cn. Nothing but we can have the n times. How many times are there here? N times. See, that we can have the 1 by Cs is equal to n by C. What is the formula? Is equal to 1 by Cs is equal to n by C. This is n times by its capacitance. Then we can write the Cs is equal to C by n. See, in series combination, the effective capacitance for the formula what is it? Cs is equal to C by n, capacitance by n times. And next, In third property here, in third property, in this combination, in this combination, in this combination, ratio of charge, ratio of charge, charge on them is, on them is the ratio, the combination of ratio of charge on them is the ratio of the charge is the constant, the charge is constant means q1 is to q2 is to q3 is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1, because of in series combination the charge is same on each capacitor, that's why we can do the 1 is to 1 is to 1. The ratio of potential difference, ratio of potential difference, ratio of potential difference, we can know that v1 is to v2 is to v3, v1 is to v2 is to v3 is equal to 1 by c1 is to 1 by c2 is to 1 by c3, because of in series combination what is the variation is there, here the potential difference will be variation, the potential is always inversely proportional to the capacitor, that's why we can write the v1 is to v2 is to v3 is equal to 1 by c1 is to 1 by c2 is to 1 by c3. Now next, the last property for this one, that is the fifth one. If C1, C2, if C1 and C2 are connected in series. See what is here, if two capacitors are connected in series, then find its effective capacitance. See 1 by Cs is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. See 1 by Cs is equal to, take here the LCM, C1 into C2, here the C1 plus C2, then the Cs is equal, the denominator take the numerator, then C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. This is the formula of A. See what is the formula? Say the effective capacitance in connected by any two are connected in series, the Cs is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. This is the main, the properties are important points on a series combination.